In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play casual on lichess.org. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you in your PC, or whatever you're working with. Could be Google Chrome, could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. Once you open your browser, simply go to this URL section and type lichess.org and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page, which is going to be the home screen or the main screen of lichess.org. Of course, here, first thing that you would like to do is just go to the top right corner option sign in and click on it so you can actually sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on register so you can actually create an account in here. So for me, let me do that and I'm coming back. So once you're logged in or sign in or even create an account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or this main screen on the list on the lichess.org website. And of course, you'll find your username here at the top right corner. That means you're signed in. And from here, you can do a lot of other stuff. So as we said in the beginning of the tutorial, is we would like to play on Lichess, of course, just casual, not rated. So if you want to do that, make sure to not choose this quick pairing table. This will take you directly to the rated games and you don't want to do that. If you want to play casual, go to the right panel, click on create a game and make sure to choose casual if it's on rated. Of course, it should be with green. Once you choose that, choose the variance, the time control, adjust it if you want, and adjust even the increments if you want. Of course, you can even adjust the rating range. This will not affect your rating, so don't worry. Then choose if you want to play as white, as black, or both, does not matter. Click on whatever you want and wait until someone accepts your game. Once someone actually accepts your game, you will get into the game directly without any problem. As you can see, if no one actually accepts your game, you can even go and play against another one. Make sure to have it on casual. So let's say, for example, I want to play against this one. Click on his name, and as you can see, I'll play casual very fast and very easy. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.